Alright, here we go, start to finish. Take all the screws out of your TV. Open your TV up. You unplug the wires that come off of the magnetic coil. There's a magnetic coil that looks just like this guy, sitting right on the back of your TV like that, okay? There's going to be 4 wires coming from it. 4 wires. 2 wires go to this first electromagnet, which is the one with the ferrite toroid, and the other one is the inside. Okay, so those are your 2 electromagnets. So each one of these, one is one magnet, and one is the other magnet. So it's like that. So what I did is I unplugged these from the back. There's the yellow one and the green one, or brown, yellow and brown, and it looks like blue and red. So I separated those. I plugged this one back into the board. I leave this one separate because one of them controls the vertical and one of them controls the horizontal. It has to do with the deflection of the magnet. Okay, this thing sits in there, and there's an electron gun behind it. Okay. Okay, here's your electron gun. This is your electron gun. This sits inside the CRT and shoots a electromagnet, or shoots a shoots through there. This deflects it. We're gonna hook it up. I can't think today. I don't know fucking why. What's going on? Okay, anyway, we got our blue. Here's what we're gonna use. We got our brown and yellow one plugged back in. We got our blue one right here. Okay, so I got that one out. Oh my god. Fucking bastard. Okay. Set that down, hopefully I didn't fucking damage anything. I'm gonna take this guy. Okay. Then once you got this this electromagnet separated from the other one. I don't know, once you got the would be the horizontal. Once you get the horizontal deflection magnet separated from the other one, I'm just going to go ahead and hook it up to 2 wires. Okay, and then I'm going to run it to, got just a little small power amplifier here to amplify the signal. So now let's try it out. Turn it on. Let's see if we can get something to pop up. Okay, we got our, and the TV's actually sitting sideways because the horizontal deflection cable has more of a frequency range than the vertical, so we can get better blips on our CRT here. Now, let's see. I'm going to pull up a frequency. Let's look at. Let's see. Let's do 3 hertz. Okay.